Capo! Teacher's tips!
Hi there, this is Stevenflow from the guitar store in Seattle, Washington.
I'm listening.
And today I'm going to talk to you about the almighty Capo.
What's a k-poe?
I'll show you. Let's say you're a singer-songwriter that only knows kind of your basic open chords. You just can't find a song that suits your voice, right? But you don't want to learn them pesky bar chords.
Now,
Enter the capo. We can move the tuning, think of it that way, like you're raising the tuning of the guitar to any key that you want. I can play a D, but now it's a G. It's a higher G. That song wouldn't sound the way it does if not for the capo. And sometimes it's just fun to experiment and just move it and get it off anywhere. Put it at the 12th fret. Just play some stuff I normally play open. If you'd like to know more about capos or any other attachments or accessory, come see me, Stevenflow, the best guitar teacher at the guitar store.
We're listening.
teacher's tips!